Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix your vanilla gift card not working. So let's get started. So it is very easy to fix if your gift card is not working on your vanilla app, okay, or my vanilla. First of all, you have to open and make sure you have reinstall it, and then you have to click on sign in and sign in into your username, okay, and it will, like, you have to try again. If it does not works, you have to click on here at the help option. So here you have to click on contacts, just call in this number, or you can just like uh, give your query in this post box address. So by this way they will find a solution and they will tell you. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.